I feel like an old hobo on the sad, lonesome and blue. I was fair as a summer day. Now the summer days are through. You pass through places, and places pass through you, but you carry them with you on the soles of your traveling shoes. Well, I love you so dearly, I love you so clearly. I'll wake you up in the morning so early just to tell you I got the wandering blues. I got the wandering blues, and I'm gonna quit these rambling ways one of these days soon. And I sing the little last birds sing the prettiest songs. 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 Those times like these, I feel so small and wild, like rambling footsteps of a wandering child. And I'm lonesome, the lonesome whippoorwill, singing these blues with a warble and chill. But I'm not too blue to fly. No, I'm not too blue to fly. 'Cause the little last birds sing the prettiest songs. 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 Train, and I sang my songs to the cold and the